We'll guide you through how to disable auto-update in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll want to go to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences, and then choose Settings. This will open up the Settings pane, where you can customize your Visual Studio Code experience. In the search bar at the top of the Settings pane, type in Update. This will filter the settings to show only those related to updates. Look for the setting labeled Update Mode. By default, this is set to Default, which means VS Code will automatically download and install updates. Click on the drop-down menu next to Update Mode and change it to None. Choosing None will disable the auto-update feature, ensuring that updates won't be automatically downloaded and installed. It's a great option if you want to maintain control over when your software updates, especially useful if you're working on a critical project and don't want any surprises. Remember, you can always manually update VS Code by going to Help in the top menu and selecting Check for Updates whenever you're ready. Keeping your development environment stable is important, so this feature gives you the flexibility to update at your convenience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.